The journey to becoming a mum isn't always easy. Every journey is so different. Motherhood can be messy, and sometimes you feel like you have no idea what you're doing or how things will turn out eventually. A little bit like baking with children, especially when they'd rather taste test each ingredient rather than put them in the bowl. But it's also magical too, watching your child grow and change, seeing them flourish. It's such a privilege. Today is a day to celebrate you. Whether you are spending time with your loved ones this Mother's Day, or perhaps thinking of those who are no longer with us, or having some well-deserved you time. We hope that you have a wonderful day. Twinkl have lots of resources available for you to use either with your class or with your own children. I've actually adapted Twinkl's fairy cake recipe to make these cakes. We felt they needed an extra helping of chocolate chunks, although, to be honest, a fair amount of those ended up in my toddler's mouth rather than in the cake mixture. But besides baking, if that's not something you feel like tackling with your child or with your class for this day, there are so many easy resources available for you to use with your class, from activities to writing frames to literacy activities. There are easy card templates for you to use as a basis for your class to design their own, and so much more too. If you go to the Twinkl site on your computer or mobile, you can see there is a dedicated Mother's Day section, and it's sorted into different categories as well, so you can search whatever you like. I think this design a mug activity is sweet, and also this floral paper bouquet. I think that would be a lovely one to do with the children as well, or even for your own children to do for you. There are lots and lots of other resources here too. There's different certificates they can fill in, there are writing frames, there are these mosaics which are really fun. And then there are also different cards, different awards. There are so many resources. So if you're looking for something for Mother's Day to do in school or for your own children to do at home, then definitely have a look at this section on the website. And we hope you have a lovely Mother's Day.